Before the Nordic teepee is taken down, close the ventilator cap and the air intakes. Inner tent and floor does not need to be removed. Make sure that the tent is empty. Take down the Nordic teepee by releasing tension on all the ground tensioners. Remove the central pole. Close the door of the Nordic teepee. Remove the ground tensioners from the tent pegs. Spread the canvas out on the ground like a fan by folding it once. Push down the tent peg through the loop at the top of the Nordic teepee. On the Sapphire and Zircon model, there are 8 fiberglass rods around the smoke opening. Position them in 2 rows of 4 and fold it once. Be careful at this stage and make sure that the fold is at the end points of the fiberglass rods so that they don't cause damage. Fold the canvas several times, making sure that the fiberglass rods are only folded once. Use the bag with the folded up central pole as a guide for the correct width. Place the bag with the pole on the fiberglass rods and wrap the canvas tightly around it. Put a strap around the rolled up canvas. Put everything in the packing bag. Compress the packing bag.